Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talking Tales with Tom. I'm Tom. Today, we have a very special guest with me, Maya. I'm so excited to share some amazing stories about dogs with all of you.
Hi, Tom. Hi to everyone listening. I'm very happy to be here and talk about some of the most interesting and fun dog breeds. Dogs have so many unique traits and personalities, and I can't wait to explore them with you today.
Today, we're going to talk about 17 dog breeds that you might have seen, but maybe you don't know their names or interesting traits. Maya, are you ready for this adventure into the world of dogs?
Absolutely. I love dogs, so this is going to be really fun and informative. Let's get started and meet our first furry friend.
Okay, first up, Siberian Husky. Maya, can you describe them for us in detail?
Sure. Huskies are medium-sized dogs with thick double coats and pointed ears. Their eyes are often blue or even different colors. They were originally bred to pull sleds in very cold places like Siberia, which makes them extremely strong and energetic. They are also very friendly and social, and they usually get along well with people and other dogs.
Oh, so they're very energetic, right? I guess you really need to give them lots of space to run around and play.
Yes, very energetic and playful. They also love being part of a family and enjoy being included in activities. Huskies need both physical exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy.
Cool. Next, let's talk about Border Collie.
Border Collies are incredibly smart and very active. They're medium dogs with soft coats that can come in many colors, but most are black and white. They were bred to herd sheep, so they need lots of exercise and mental challenges. A Border Collie without enough activity can become bored and maybe even mischievous.
Wow, so they are not just pets, but real working dogs that need attention and training. What about Rottweilers?
Rottweilers are large, strong dogs with black and tan coats. They were originally used to herd cattle and pull carts. Today, they are often chosen as guard dogs, police dogs, or family companions. They are very loyal and protective, and they need consistent training and socialization to be happy and balanced dogs.
Sounds like serious dogs indeed. How about something a bit smaller and friendlier?
That's where poodles come in. Poodles come in standard, miniature, and toy sizes. They have curly hair that doesn't shed much, which is great for people with allergies. They are extremely smart, easy to train, and playful. Many families love them because they are very affectionate and make wonderful companions.
I've seen Dobermans before. What makes them special?
Dobermans are medium-large dogs with short coats. They were bred in Germany to be guard dogs, so they are naturally alert, strong, and very loyal. They can be gentle and affectionate with their families, but they also have a strong protective instinct, which makes them excellent family protectors and companions.
Nice. And what about Shiba Inu? I know they are from Japan.
Yes, Shiba Inu are small to medium dogs with thick fur and curled tails. They are smart but independent, sometimes a little stubborn. They were originally hunting dogs in Japan and still have a strong sense of curiosity and alertness. They are playful but also like to have their own space sometimes.
I love their little curled tails and their confident attitude. And what about Dalmatians?
Dalmatians are medium-sized white dogs with black spots. Historically, they pulled carriages and worked at fire stations. They are very energetic, playful, and love being part of an active family. They can be quite outgoing and charming, but they also need regular exercise to stay healthy and happy.
Golden retrievers are very popular. Why do you think that is?
They have long, golden hair and very friendly faces. They are gentle, smart, and amazing with kids. Golden retrievers are one of the most loved family dogs because they are patient, affectionate, and very easy to train. They also enjoy activities like swimming, running, and playing fetch.
And the Great Dane?
They are huge, one of the biggest dog breeds in the world. But don't worry, they are gentle giants. Despite their size, they are very friendly and can be great family dogs if trained well. They are calm, loving, and surprisingly playful for their size.
What about boxers?
Boxers are medium-large dogs with short hair and strong bodies. They are playful, energetic, and intelligent. They love being around children and are very loyal. Boxers are also very curious and enjoy games that challenge them mentally and physically.
And the small ones? Pomeranians?
Pomeranians are tiny but full of personality. They have fluffy coats, are lively, courageous, and very social. Despite their small size, they act like they are big dogs and love attention. They are perfect for apartments or small homes.
I see. And what about corgis?
Corgis are small dogs with short legs and long bodies. They were bred to herd cattle in Wales. They are very smart, affectionate, and playful. Corgis love being active and part of family activities.
Tiny but full of personality. Chihuahua.
Exactly. One of the smallest breeds, but very loyal and brave. They have big hearts and love being close to their owners. Chihuahuas are very alert and can make great little companions.
What about bulldogs?
Bulldogs have stocky bodies and wrinkled faces. They were used for bull baiting in the past, but today they are calm, gentle, and very affectionate. They love being part of the family and enjoy relaxing with their people.
And dachshunds?
Dachshunds are small dogs with long bodies and short legs. Originally bred to hunt badgers underground, they are brave, curious, and very determined. They have big personalities for their small size and love exploring.
Almost done. German Shepherds.
Medium to large, strong, and alert, they are one of the top police and service dogs in the world. German Shepherds are smart, very trainable, and extremely loyal. They love having a job and being part of a family.
And last, beagles.
Beagles are small to medium scent hounds with short hair. They were bred to hunt rabbits. They are friendly, happy, and love following smells. Beagles are very curious and love playing with people and other dogs.
Wow, Maya, that was amazing. I learned so much about all these dogs.
Me too, Tom. Dogs are incredible, and every breed has its own unique charm.
Thanks everyone for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Talkin' Tales with Tom for more fun animal stories.
Don't forget to comment below and tell us your favorite dog breed.
See you next time. Bye.